Welcome to Motor Masters, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive news. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the 2025 McLaren Artura, a hybrid supercar that blends cutting-edge technology with McLaren's signature performance and design. The 2025 Artura continues McLaren's tradition of pushing boundaries, featuring an advanced plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine with an electric motor. This setup delivers an impressive 671 horsepower and 531 lb-ft of torque, allowing the Artura to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. The electric motor not only enhances performance but also provides up to 19 miles of pure electric driving, making it more efficient than ever before. McLaren has focused on keeping the Artura lightweight, utilizing a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which enhances agility and handling. The car weighs just 3,300 pounds, giving it a best-in-class power-to-weight ratio. Its 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, while the E-differential improves cornering precision, making it a true driver-esque car. The adaptive suspension further enhances ride comfort and track performance, offering different driving modes tailored for daily use or aggressive track driving. Visually, the 2025 Artura retains McLaren's signature aerodynamic design with sleek body lines, aggressive LED headlights, and dihedral doors that give it a futuristic look. The large air intakes and active aerodynamics improve cooling and stability at high speeds. Moving inside, the cockpit is designed for both luxury and performance. The minimalistic digital dashboard, a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, and premium Alcantara seats create a driver-focused experience. The latest McLaren infotainment system MIS2 offers seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and real-time performance tracking. Safety and technology have also been upgraded, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system. Despite being a hybrid, the Artura maintains McLaren's thrilling driving experience while also being more eco-friendly. With a top speed of 205 miles per hour and a starting price of around $237,500, the 2025 McLaren Artura is a perfect blend of power, efficiency, and luxury. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more exclusive supercar content, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates in the automotive world.